The University of Craiova was the host of a transnational meeting organized within the Erasmus Plus project Virtual Reality for Digital Learning. The partners of this project are MG Sustainable, an organization specialized in the field of green energy consulting from Sweden, the University of Évora in Portugal, and the National Management School, an NGO from Bulgaria specialized in the personal and professional development of human resources in Bulgaria.
We are here to present some VR scenarios for our students. Our students will test them. During these scenarios, students can visit the laboratories from a university or they can use certain software like Organon, for example, where they can see different anatomic systems, the relation between them. They can see different sections of CT. It's important for our students from medical physics because they should make a treatment plan later using some simulators, and they should have skills, competencies from anatomy.
But it's very nice to see so many students here, and they all seem interested in the VR scenarios. And we are happy to have this new methodology, teaching methodology, to use it in various topics, from medicine to physics, even art or building rehabilitation. Can be used in several domains. So it's very good to use this technology to attract students and for them to experience laboratories that they cannot visit physically, or or they don't have to travel a lot to visit these places, so they can learn and they can be part of these new learning methodologies.
Today it was a pleasure to be here at the University Craiova for this VR workshop. We have had more than 30 students learning about different technologies. We have had 4 different virtual scenarios, and the idea was to let them try. So with the VR glasses, we are able to enter a certain scenario in an immersive way. It can be within the medicine area, within physics, within area of knowledge. We can have a voice, image. We can have images that we have captured, and also videos. And so we had students today trying those scenarios. And the idea is that this material can be used both for trainings, with a teacher, with a trainer, explaining how they can learn more, how they can acquire knowledge that it would be difficult to acquire in another way. Because with these scenarios, you can travel to locations far away and you can learn without being there. So we see that there is a very high potential to apply this technology in different areas. And we feel that this is just a start for a new way of transferring knowledge. And I think it was very useful to have this VR workshop here today to show a good example of how this technology can be applied.
From an educational point of view, this Erasmus Plus project aims to develop digital students' competencies in using advanced technologies like virtual reality. The project facilitates an exchange of experience and good practices with the faculty regarding modern technologies that might be used during the educational process. Virtual reality for digital learning, VR4Learning, aims to increase knowledge and awareness in the areas of environment, green transition, and sustainability among diverse groups of students and youth in various industries, with emphasis on leaving no one behind. The project introduces a new learning methodology involving a high level of technology incorporation. It includes virtual reality and augmented reality to stimulate an engaging learning environment made accessible in various languages.
The experience was very great. and you can learn a lot of good things from it.
My name is Marina. I'm from Granada in Spain, and this experience was exciting for me because I have never used virtual reality in my life, and it feels so real, and it helps you to see another places that you can visit in your life. So yeah, I think it's important for a student to see another university and have an idea to go for Erasmus.
The project creates videos for online courses and uses virtual and augmented reality for digital learning, including training sessions with 3D glasses, which will enable learning at a distance in an immersive environment.